Hey guys, Blair with RevitAuto, and in our small 2.5 car garage, we are rocking out the elevated Creeper. Now we use this on the TV show Junkyard Empire, but what's really cool about this is it allows you to sit on top of your motor, laying down on your chest while you're working. So if you're doing the coolant crossover tube on a 5.4 in a garage that doesn't have a lift or any normal shop tools in itself, it's really awesome when you have the ability to just lay on top, slide this thing over, have all your tools laying across the cow, and be able to get the job done without having to be up, down, and leaning on the side and putting a bunch of pillows down. So this is by far one of our favorite tools that we don't use all the time, but when we do have to use it, it makes us way more profitable and saves everybody's back. The great part is that my employees don't want to kick my ass because I'm asking them to do a crappy job, because they get to lay down while they're doing it and I get to make fun of them for sleeping on the job.